Hi, this is Justin Flugum from Additive Guru. Today we're going to look at some printable upgrades that you need to do for your Ender-3. One is a fan shroud. You want to put a little shroud right here because there's a fan underneath here. What it'll end up doing is causing either cooling spot on your hot bed when you're trying to print, or you can get debris falling into it, which can end up messing up the fan and end. The second one you want to print is this box case to go underneath the LCD. They don't give you this factory. The reason you want to print this is so you don't short out your board by accidentally putting your hand back here and connecting the surface and electric. And the last thing you want to print, in our opinion, is this little bracket on the rear of the cords. And that does is keeps your cords out of the way of the bed moving back and forth, because without this, the cords have a tendency to lean in, and sometimes they'll get caught on this little side over here, and they'll make your print fail. So that's another one that I would recommend printing. Lastly, that you would recommend printing, but we haven't got printed because of the fact that we're using metal hot extruder ends, is a bearing guide. You could put either a bearing guide here or up here to make it so that this feeds in properly and doesn't wear. As you can see, there's little shavings of filament on there. The plastic version will wear completely, but the metal version won't wear. It'll just leave shavings everywhere. And those are some of the recommended upgrades.